What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this champagne glitter look. No, I'm just kidding. It's champagne. It was supposed to be a cut crease, but it didn't work out too well. But it's still cute, so I kept it. Let me know what you think. To start off our eyeshadow build, we're using the Morphe palette Bronzed Bay, and the first color is Road Trip. With this color, we're basically trying to start our transition build, and I'm focusing all of the color to the outside and the insides of my eyelid. Next, for our transitional shade, we are using the color Now Boarding, and this time we're focusing the color a little bit lower than we did Road Trip. That way we can create a seamless blend between the two browns. Now for the last color for our transitional blend is the Volcano color, and this time we're focusing this in the outside corners a little bit lower than all the other colors because this is where we're supposed to have our cut crease. But as you can see, it's not getting as dark as I wanted it to, so I went ahead and added a little bit of black from our Take Me Back to Brazil palette a little bit later on in the video. Okay, here's where we're adding that black to our build, and this is basically going to deepen the contrast for the cut crease. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer that we're using to create our cut crease. And basically, you only want to add the concealer to wherever you're adding your new color or your glitter or whatever elements that you're going to add for your cut crease. The concealer is what really defines that cut crease. For our glitter crease, we're using the Pressed Glitter palette by Beauty Glazed, and we're choosing the glitter that mostly resembles champagne. I don't know how else to explain it because there's two different golds there. For mine, I'm going for something a little bit more amber-ish. So yeah, this is a glitter that I chose to use. You can also do this with any other color glitter that you want. It still works well, but you know, this is the color that I chose for the specific look. When we're packing on our glitter, we want to make sure we get like a thick layer because, you know, we want the glitter to shine. Well, I like a thick layer of glitter. If you want something a little bit lighter, feel free, but I don't want any of the undercolor to show through, so that's why I'm putting it on very heavily. So here I'm basically trying to redefine that that contrast between the crease, but I actually messed it up because I put the black a little bit too far in, so I was basically trying to fix it. This is why my cut crease was a fail, because you know there's no clear distinction between, you know, that transition shade and my glitter. I mean, it still worked, but you know, that isn't really a cut crease. So for our eyeliner wings today, we're using the Nano liner by Absolute New York, and this is the basic black one. I usually use this one to start the beginning wing, and then I finish the wing with the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. I like the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner better because I have more control when I'm doing that wing extension. When prepping for your lashes, you always want to make sure you clean them up, get any excess glitter, any excess eyeshadow off of your eyelashes before you go in with your mascara. The mascara I'm using for this video is the Wet n Wild Mega Wear, and I usually brush down first and then I brush up and then I brush down again. That way I have a more level base for my eyelashes. I don't know what eyelashes these are because I lost the box, but they still cute. I need to go buy some new ones. I just haven't done it yet. As you can see, they're a little rusty, but I'm gonna try to bring them back to life as best I can in this video. For my under lash line, I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eyeliner Pencil, and I really love this one because it's super smooth and it goes on really easy, and it's very, very pigmented. I don't need a lot of pressure to get some of the product on my eye. Now, since we're done with our eyeshadow build, I'm using the concealer to go ahead and cover up all of the blemishes I have, like, you know, around my face and my chin and upper lip area. And then I'm going in with my beauty blender to go ahead and smooth all of that out before I go in with my powder. And for my powder foundation today, I am using the LA Girl Warm Caramel, and I'm basically just, you know, gonna cover my entire face. I'm running out, so I need to buy new ones soon, but your girl is on a budget. Right here, I'm basically just going ahead and getting some more of that glitter to put in the tear duct of my eye just to finish off that look. Today we're going to add a little highlight to our cheeks. So this is the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline, and the color is a little bit lighter than my skin tone because, like I said, I want to highlight the cheek area. I believe the color for this one is 330. Here I tried to add another, like a copper colored highlighter, but I just couldn't get it to work. And when I finally did get it to come out, it kind of just sat there on my skin. It didn't really blend. So, you know, the glitter was just too strong, and I just don't like it. I ended up just throwing that highlighter away, and I went back to my trusty dusty Juvia's palette, and I used the it's like a pinkish goldish eyeshadow, and I basically just used that as a highlighter and a blush because I wasn't really going to add any for this look, but it still complemented my skin very well. So this is the Basic Brown Lipstick by Jordana, I think is how you pronounce it. And I use this as the base color for my lips. It looks a little bit red, so I went in with other colors, but this is the first color that I used. The second color that I use is the NYX Lingerie Lip Cream. I don't know what color it is off the top of my head, but I will leave it down in the description below. And I basically just use this to mix the colors and give it like a matte finish because the Jordana lipstick is very shiny and it was a little bit too dark. This next lipstick is a color that I absolutely love. It's like a natural lip pink, and I got it from this company named Tony Dash, but it doesn't have a name. It only has like a serial number. So I will leave that in the description below. And basically, I'm using this to create more volume in my lips. And with that, our look is complete. Please let me know what you think about this look in the comments. This failed attempt at a cut crease that still came out cute. Anyway, no, seriously, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like this channel. And remember, with endless shade, there's endless possibilities. I'll see you guys in the next one.